Shannex is on a journey to transform the way we prioritize sustainability within our organization. As part of our strategic plan, we want to reduce greenhouse gases and be more energy efficient. As we lead our way to greener living, we are proud to leverage technologies like Ecopilot in our buildings since 2020. My name is Kim MacDonald. I'm the Director of Engineering with Shannex. Shannex is a family-owned business that has provided care for seniors for over 35 years now. In senior care, we have higher temperature requirements. Ecopilot has helped us maintain that comfort for our residents while offering energy savings. Introducing new technologies into our building does offer challenges, but Ecopilot made the installation seamless and there was no disruption to our day-to-day operations. Since implementing Ecopilot Artificial Intelligence, we have seen a significant reduction in our greenhouse gas emissions. This year, we project enough energy savings to power 350 homes for an entire year. Based on our success with Ecopilot, Shannex is excited to implement Ecopilot across 24 more of our communities in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and Ontario.